What is up? We are on our way to St. Charles, Illinois to Aquascape Academy. Driving with me, I have Fernando, Noah, and Big Tony. So we are gonna do some more learning on ponds, how to do ponds. They have a bunch of different tracks in there, so a lot different from the NMLA thing you saw us on previously. So that's what we're doing on the road to St. Charles, Illinois. Just made it to the hotel early. We're gonna get situated in our rooms, get some delicious Mexican food, and then be ready for learning tomorrow. Oh, I almost went the wrong way. Let's see it again, Noah. Just taking a trip to the weight room. Noah's getting his pre-workout. Not quite sure what he's doing. That's a good one. Did you make that one up?
Yeah, I think so.
What is that one called?
The behind your header.
Hypergalactrin?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
That's interesting.
Works out your strudels.
Yep. Through the process of photosynthesis.
Oh, that's smart. Let's drive over to Aqualand. We met some people from Tussie's Landscaping. Oh, it's Tussie. And believe it or not, you know, we're from Nebraska, right? And they were wondering if we have vehicles in Nebraska. So yeah, we have vehicles and even electricity. Anything special that you guys have in the Pennsylvania area that we don't have in Nebraska?
I don't know. Telephones?
Oh! Cell phones. We walked here, actually. It was a journey. So one of the funnest things about coming to Aqualand in general is you get to meet people from all around the place. I met Eric here from Philly.
How you doing,
who
guys?
does aquariums, and he came here. He's just kind of passionate about what he likes to do. So
I like fish.
he likes fish.
Absolutely.
And the
Glad
dude's
to be here.
enthusiastic too. So this is why I like coming here. You meet people from Philly, met people from Pennsylvania, probably people from Canada are here. So you just create this bond and you get to share about what makes your business successful. So
Everybody comes here loving one thing in common, and that's ponds.
right on. So there's Eric. His company is Keystone
Reefscapes.
Reefscapes. So.
Yeah, I'm not adorned with any of my logo in today. I came anonymous.
Right on. So this is Eric. See you later.
Excited to be with you guys today. You guys pumped to be here? Yeah! I gotta tell you, that was one of the best claps I've ever had for a brand new group.
So you saw me earlier talk with Eric, a new guy that's never been here before from Philly. So I'm out here talking to certified Aquascape contractors. So what we're talking about is what we're doing new in 2019. And here I have Reynolds with Tussie's Landscaping. Did I say it wrong again? I said it right? Tussie. So we're just here talking about what we're doing in 2019. We're not going to really tell you about that. What I want to show you is, where are you from?
Central Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Michael here, where are you from?
From suburb of DC, from Burtonsville, Maryland.
Burtonsville, Maryland. And here we got Sean Frost here, where are you from?
Oh, up in Grafton, New Hampshire, up in the mountains.
Grafton, New Hampshire in the mountains. So we get to meet people from all over the place. And right now, this is iron sharpens iron. Iron? I'm not saying it right, am I? Earn. So that's what we do here, is just kind of learn from each other.
You could have the best company in the world. I think that's where it really counts. You could have the best company.
So we just got done in the HR room, and Jennifer, correct?
Yes.
She, at the beginning, made an astonishing thing for me. She said, raise your hand if you have an HR degree. And no one raised their hand.
Nope, never do.
So I learned a lot last year on hiring people, on how for me not to ask all the questions that we took back from last year. And this year we're working on incentives for our employees, but not only incentives. What did you make?
Goal setting.
Goal setting and how to make them feel like they're part of the business.
Employee engagement, yeah.
Employee engagement. I didn't listen very well, did I?
You did good.
So that was the HR session. So we are after hours at Aqualand, just got done playing volleyball, 9-ball, some other fun game, and we're heading back to the pheasant run. First night was a blast. First day was a blast. Like I said, you get to meet people from all over the place, Pennsylvania, New York, Virginia, East Coast, West Coast, and you just form good relationships with some good friends, and you continue to build those, especially with people from Philadelphia that think we don't have vehicles. Are you from Philly? Is this pussies? So it's day 2 here at Aqualand. I'm gonna go to the advanced or the intermediate build to see how Noah and Big Tones are doing.
Ever say you don't have time. Say you don't prioritize it. How many CEOs of Fortune 500 companies do Ironman triathlons? There's a lot of high performers that spend 2 hours a day exercising because they prioritize their fitness.
Measurement going all the way around, and we said it was 55 feet. This is 1,650 pounds for every 1 foot section. There's another way of getting to that same spot. This is a little bit quicker, but that's 4 or 5 feet deep.
So just leaving here at Aqualand, I got to meet Blake here with his business, and he kind of taught me a lot about Facebook. I thought I knew about Facebook, but I have not even touched the surface. So it was great meeting Blake. Got anything to say to everyone, Blake?
Oh man, it was a great time. You know, a lot of time connecting with other contractors. It was a great environment, really good class. So you're missing out if you haven't been here. You know, check it out and take your company to the next level.
Make sure to check out his channel. It's his turf.
So absolutely, I'd appreciate that.
Right on.